Hey, it's QVT time. When creating a wearable muslin or just a muslin, which is a mock-up of a garment that you want to make, but you got to make sure it fits first. So you choose muslin fabric or any kind of fabric, comma, do these things. Use a contrast thread and make sure you baste. And then that way, if there's any issues that need to be fixed or you need to make corrections, this is an easy stitch to pull out. Also, I'm using fabric that I like, that I had. I'm not in love with it, but if these fit and look okay, then I'm going to wear them, which means they're a wearable muslin. Wearable muslin is fabric that you like, but if you need to mark it up or maybe you just really don't like it, who cares? But I think I kind of like this fabric. So if this wearable muslin works out for me, I'm going to wear it. I'm going to finish basting, try it on. Hopefully my alterations are good. Hope this helps.